This is my DJI's Mic Mini, and I bought this about 5 to 6 months ago. And ever since that, this has been through all the thick and thin. It was giving voice to all my videos, and with this, I had creative freedom. But few days ago, I messed up. I dropped it in water while shooting something. Finally, I found a place where I have a hope that this can be repaired, so I'm going there now. This is a place called Drone House, so I hope they can find what's the problem and they can get this repaired. I'm already here, but the shop is still closed. I tried calling that guy, he didn't pick up, and I'll wait here for a few minutes and try to call back again. So it's been over a month, I guess, since last time I went to the repair store. That time it was closed, the shop was closed, so I got back, and after that I haven't quite got time to go there. And today I just called them, and the guy said that the shop is open, so I'll just try to go there as quickly as possible and get the mic checked. If it's possible to check it instantly, then it's okay. If not, then I'll leave my mic over there and just wait for answers. I hope it can be repaired and repaired in as less expense as possible. I've noticed few things. The battery is draining quite fast. I charge it often to check with the hope that miraculously something is repaired. I check it and I get disappointed, then I just turn it off and keep it back. And when again after a few days, if I want to check if it's okay, I try to turn it on and it's not turning on. I have to charge it again, which implies that the battery is draining very quickly even without it being on. So that's not a good thing. So if battery has to be replaced, that's one thing, and another maybe few other components, I don't know, because when I try to record with it, the audio comes clear, the audio is there in the background, but the main sound is a continuous beep sound that's coming out of the mic. I'll put on a clip. I put up a clip if possible here. Overall, the audio is pretty fucked up and cannot be used like that. I need to get back to work as soon as possible. So I'll just try to make it quick. Still, I cannot ride very fast. I could have come earlier, but the shop was closed. And you guys must be wondering why I'm not wearing my gloves yet, because if you have seen my last video on my hike to Mohini, I fell down and I hurt my hands, and because of that, when I wear gloves, the material of the gloves is not very soft and it hurts my hand. So that's the reason I'm not wearing any gloves. Ooh, the sun got suddenly so bright. God damn it, my hands are burning. I'll be tanned all the way. So I am here now. The shop is somewhere here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This is it. Yep. So the shop is here. It's known as Drone House. And let's go in and check. Okay. Other than sound only the beeping sound outside. Mic is going. Yes, I do. Oh, Jose, thank you. Oh, now we just wait for an answer. Finger crossed, let's hope the mic is repaired. Shit, I came in a wrong direction. I have to go on the other side, or I can just go from here as well. Yeah, I can go from here under the bridge. Okay guys, so see you after receiving the call. I'll let you know if it is a good news or a bad news, and bye bye.
Wait, there's more.
Oh, my eyes are hurting a bit. I don't know what's the reason. Whoa, Dominar. Is that N125? Oh, looks so tiny. Aha. Not stopping for anyone. After last servicing, now I have ridden my bike for 500 kilometers, which means it is time to clean and lube the chain. I usually clean and lube my chain from around 350 kilometers to 500, depending upon the types of roads that I've ridden on. If I have done a lot of off-road dusty patches, then I clean and lube the chain at around 350 kilometers. If not, then at around 500 kilometers. So I need to buy a brush, or I'll just simply go to a service center and get my chain cleaned and lube. I'll do it myself. So that's that. And I have been stuck here again at a very big traffic for a quite long time now. This traffic is very big. Let's stop here, maybe a little further ahead. Don't want other vehicles to be disturbed.
It's been over 25 days since I took my mic to the repair shop. I understood that it's time to bid goodbye to it. It served me really well, and it will be missed. Rest in peace, dear Mike.